Hey everyone, so I have received so many messages about my hair these past few days, how I've been getting my beachy waves, what products I'm using, so I wanted to take the time to do a tutorial to show you from start to finish what I'm using in my hair and how I'm achieving those beautiful beachy waves. So this right here is what I've been using. It's by a company called Bondi Boost. It's a 3-barrel hair waver, and I love that the center one is a little bit smaller than the other two because it really gives you such nice definition in the curls. So to start, what I do is I section off the hair into 3 sections. So I start at the bottom and I work my way up. The most important section to me is the top layer. That's the layer that you want to get super precise and make sure that you're lining up the barrels to create that really perfect wave. So before I begin, I take the Bondi Boost heat protecting spray and I spritz it all over my hair, and this just gives my hair a little bit extra protection from anything that's heat related. Then I take about 2-inch sections. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like I said, this is the bottom layer. It's gonna be covered anyway. So then I start as close to the root as I can, and I hold the barrel down as straight as I can because I really want the waves to keep their shape and be perfect. So as I move it down, I make sure that I'm keeping the barrel in line with the rest of the waves so that it's cohesive and gives you that perfect waved look. So I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and then go to the next layer. Now I'm going to take my hair down, create the next section, and do it again. So to me, the top layer is the most important layer. I have angles in the front, and these short kind of like little bang pieces. Take my bangs and like a little bit of the top layer, or the first part of my layers, and I do those sections separate from everything else. And you wanna hold it as close to the face as you can. It's the most important to me on the top layer because that's where you're really going to see the waves. Okay, so now moving on, I'm taking small sections, spritzing my hair, and doing the same thing. And voila. So now my entire head is completed. As you can see, the waves are perfect, beautiful. My hair is super shiny. The only product I applied was the heat protectant spray. And so this is it. So what I do as a little extra step is I take my extension pieces just to give it a little extra something. It works amazing on my natural hair and it works just as amazing on my extension pieces. So I had these waved from the other day, but what I like to do is wash them out and then put them in and then re-wave them with a little bit of my hair to make sure that the waves line up, because that's how you keep that really beautifully perfect wave. Take my hair, line the barrels up as best as I can, and create a perfect wave. So as you can see, that kept the wave consistent and in line, and now my extension piece is in there. You can't even tell. Make sure that the barrels line up and just hold it for a few seconds, and it really just helps the hair to blend. Now, I don't brush out my waves because then they get a little puffy. I really love this sleek look and that the waves are so perfectly defined. Do with the other side of my hair. Put in my piece, line up the barrels. And there you have it. Super simple, so pretty, perfect beach waves. I'm obsessed. It's my new favorite look. And like I said, just adding the extension pieces in and waving it with the waver, just give it that extra little touch. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you want to check out the Bondi Boost curling wand that I used for my hair, all you have to do is swipe up. Enjoy.